In this video, we'll be talking about macromolecules. Macromolecule comes from Greek macros for large, and molecule comes from moles in Latin for mass. This literally means large mass or large molecule. Macromolecules are essential to life, and there are four types of them: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and nucleic acids. These are known as polymers, which are made of monomers coming together. Starting with proteins, they are made of amino acids chained together. There are four forms of protein structure. The first one of them is the primary structure, which is a chain of amino acids, as shown above. They're also known as polypeptides. When primary structures come together via hydrogen bonding, they fold into secondary structures like beta sheets and alpha helices. When the secondary structures fold together, they form the tertiary structure, which is also a functional protein. When multiple tertiary structures come together, they form the quaternary structure, and each of those tertiary structures is now known as subunits. Carbohydrates, as their name suggests, have carbon and hydrogen, as well as oxygen, which is not in their name. A synonym for this word is a saccharide, which is Greek for sugar. Monosaccharides like glucose and fructose here come together forming polysaccharides, and depending on the type, length, and branching of their bonds, they can form different things like cellulose, lignin, and table sugar. There are also both short and long-term energy storage for the body, as well as structural molecules like lignin for wood shown here. Lipids are a broad group of compounds such as fats, phospholipids, and steroids. Fats are generally known as triacylglycerides, which are three glycerol molecules come together with an ester and are the main components of oils and long-term energy storage in animals and other organisms. In a saturated fat, all fatty acids have single bonds and are straight, and unsaturated fats have at least one double bond in their esters and are kinked. Phospholipids are the main component of cell membranes in the human body. They form bilayers with hydrophobic tails on the inside and hydrophilic heads on the outside. Steroids, like this one, all come from cholesterol, and their functions are membrane solubility as well as signaling molecules like shown here, or other anabolics or other types of steroids. Nucleic acids like DNA and RNA are polymers of nucleotides, which are divided into purines and pyrimidines. Purines here are adenine and guanine and have two rings. Pyrimidines are thymine and cytosine, but in RNA, uracil is used instead of thymine, and they have only one ring. DNA and RNA are the basic blueprint of the body and tell the rest of the body what proteins to make. Fun fact of the day, caffeine is a type of purine alongside adenine and guanine, so it can, and in the lab has been able to bond with